Hello everybody and welcome to Workshop Studios. Today we're going to talk about this, and I'm going to show you some plans I used, but this is going to be a very short video. This is, I guess you call it a wood caddy or supplies caddy that I found plans for online, some really great folks who showed how to build this, and just show you what mine turned out like. It's got these, so it's kind of a triangular shaped. Let's start there so you can see that it's kind of got the slope sides on it, so things will lean up against it like that, and on this side. And cubbies in the middle like that, and they go the full length with just 8 feet long. So it's 8 feet, back up here, 8 feet from here to there. And it's approximately 4.5 feet high. And I've put the heaviest duty casters I could find on it, which allows me to roll it pretty easily around the shop here, if need be. So this is the other side, and again you can see it's leaning in so you can hook things on. Step around here, and so it's got all kinds of more sheet material on it, and I use just a simple bungee right here and a bit of cord to just give it a little bit of push in, because when I'm rolling it, it can make it fall away, and that's not good. So it holds a ton of supplies that are very well organized. Again, I can put in 8-foot stock in here, or shorter pieces that go in from either side. So this is the other side of it here. It's built out of what do you call this, press board. It's the where you've got the flakes of wood. It looks like, it's easier to see that there in the light. It looks like that. I've just used some old leftover paint to give it a little bit of something so it doesn't continue to flake. And I tried to hook it together using the same materials. You can see here there's an angle where I've taken that same material and strengthened this joint with it. And down below I used a series of 2x4s to build a frame for it, and so far it does not appear to have been to sag at all. So you can see down there it doesn't appear to be sagging, and it's, gosh, I've been probably using this for 8 years now. And so there's part of the strength comes from the way this is built. Let me come around the other side, where these tie this whole thing together like this. So that holds that upright, and then it's a very, very interesting and well put together design by the other folks, not me. And you get this sort of angle thing here where it keeps everything tied in there pretty nicely. So I will put the plans I used. Sorry, I'm not going to show you a full build on it because it was so long ago that I did it. I didn't think about videoing the whole thing. But I will show you the plans I used, and I recommend it highly if you do have stock in your shop that you need to store. And I've got it sort of organized where this is hardwoods here, kind of bits and pieces there. There's a few more hardwoods down in there, and then longer pieces I tend to put, or wider pieces go down here because I've got the width. But it doesn't always stay that way. It gets jumbled up. Now it is a little bit of a hassle to push it around. You gotta use your body to get it moving because it's a lot of weight on there. But it has turned out to be just a great addition. So let me put the plans there, and I will say good luck to you on your project. If you want to try to build this, I will put some links to other folks who have built the same thing and maybe have done a better job of documenting it. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you would like to do that. And we'll catch you on the next video. Bye!
Some glad morning when this life is over, I'll fly away to my home on God's celestial shore. I'll fly away, I'll fly away, oh glory, I'll fly away. When I die, hallelujah, by fly away. Like a bird from prison bars have flown, I'll fly away.